Hey guys, so the next step in your research is making an outline. So I wanted to quickly go over how to do that in a short video so that you be squared away to start that. So here is how you do it. So you're going to be going basically from your organizer, which is this, and I realize mine is not filled in because it's just an example, so I have a lot of space here. But you would have this, of course, completed with notes. And you go from that to an outline like this. I have filled in the introduction part because I wanted to show you that quickly. Your introduction is basically going to start with an attention getter, a quote, statistic, or story, explanation, which is your bridge, and then your topic sentence, right? Just like it says on the outline. So my attention getter is a quote. Look for hard ways to make little moves against destructiveness. My bridge, my explanation is, this was Pascal Trochme's explanation of how to resist evil. We don't necessarily have to do enormous actions of heroism, but we can still do small things that really add up in the face of evil. That's my explanation of my quote, what it means to me. Then my thesis, this is important, an overall sentence about the overall presentation you're doing here, which is that basically Pascal, what I wrote here, Pascal Trochme was a hero of the Holocaust who saved thousands of lives at great personal risk. Okay, so first main point. What is my first main point? Well, I'll go back here to my organizer and I see early life. See that? What was his or her early life like? And I should have a bunch of research here. What I'm going to put my first main point is born, right? Birth. And my support here, actually, no, that's wrong. My early life, my first main point is early life. My support here is birth, okay? And my first support here, example, you can delete that word example, but that really just means my first main subpoint here. Born in, I'm going to get rid of this line, Saint Quentin in Tourmont, France. Okay, that's really all I have about his birth. And you might have more, but I don't. So what am I going to do with this second point? Should I just delete it? Actually, no, you do not. If you have an A, you need to have a B. If you have a 1, you need to have a 2. If I don't have anything for 2, if it's like this, that's not okay for outlines. So we want to put this, we'll just do this, put it back with A, and that's all we have for A. That's fine, because we're going to have a lot more stuff for his early life. Now, I also found out about his marriage, okay? And my first main point is that he married Magda in 1926. My other point about that is Magda was also a native of France, born there, just like he was. Okay, so there we go. Now we have a proper outline here. My third point might be his children, and I might say, or I might say he had 4. And my first point would be Nelly, and my second point would be Jean-Pierre. It's another one of his children. Of course, I would go on with that, but I don't need to right now. So I actually have more information about his early life, which is everything up to his, and as far as his siblings and stuff. I don't have that, but you might, under birth, you might put that stuff. I have another main point I want to make, so all I do here is just put a D, and that'll format it for me, and put another main point. So my last one is Trochme founded a school. And then under that, I have, oops, no, that got messed up. Yeah, there we go. Named the College Lycée International. My second point, preparation for university for students. It was a way for students to prepare for university. And my third point would be the school later took in Jewish refugees. Okay? And make these all sentences. As his second-born child. Okay? And so now this is starting to shape up like an actual speech, like an actual presentation. All of our information will go on here. The main thing is how we have to format it. So If you have an A, you have a B. If you have a 1, you have a 2, and etc. like that. Okay? If not, like I said, you just put it up there into the other main point. Okay? And then your second main point, of course, I'm not going to do this, but would be involvement in the war or contributions to history, right? So involvement in war, contributions to history. And then we'll put our information under that, organized like so. All right, so happy outlining. I hope that you enjoy it and get it done and do well. I'm looking forward to your presentations. Bye.